with everything that's happened to you, in the book The Heavenly Man, it talks about your wife was sterilized after the birth of your first child. Your mother was arrested. There have been people criticizing you. How do you handle criticism, and how do you forgive?
感谢耶稣，把眼睛定睛在耶稣的身上。
The only way to be able to forgive is to fix your eyes upon Jesus.
每一天只思想耶稣并他的钉十字架。
If you every day meditate and you think that Jesus was willing, for the sake of your salvation, to be nailed on the cross and die for your sins.
在中国开始公安逼迫我的时候，上帝给我一个得胜的秘诀。
When I was in China and the Communist Party started to persecute me, God gave me the secret, the key of secrets.
这个秘诀一直到今天。
And it has been so powerful that I'm using the same secret weapon.
因为在公安开始去抓我的时候，我呼求神的时候，突然间里面发出一个强有力的声音说：“孩子，我知道。”
I remember first time when the authorities, they came and they were able to capture me and they caught me and I shouted fullness of my voice. I said, Jesus, don't you see that they capture me, they caught me? And I heard his voice saying to me, my child, I know.
就这一句话一直伴随我直到今日，不管遇到任何事情，圣灵突然间就又出现了，孩子，我知道。
And this word has become my strength and my power to be able to overcome. I know that he knows what is happening with my life.